Now, if you're happy with your project, it is time to export it as a GIF. One important thing to consider before you do the exporting is to consider if you want the background to appear white like this, or you want it to be transparent. Let's say you wanted it to be a white background, then there's nothing to change. But if you want it to be transparent, an easy way to turn off the background color for all of these frames is just to go to the first frame, shift click all of them, and just turn off the eye, and then you'll have a transparent GIF. So let's say I wanted a transparent GIF. Once you're happy with it, you're just gonna go to File, and you're gonna go to Export, and then Save for Web. And once you're here, you just want to think about how many colors you are exporting, and this is important because you want to include all of the colors of your GIF, but also because of the file size. You'll notice that when it was 2 colors, the file size was 25.92 kilobytes, and then let's say it's like 32, and then you've got a lot more, and you see the color table populating here. If you've got 128, you've got a lot more, and this is really based on personal preference. You have to consider the visual impact you want to leave your audience, and also the file size that works for you. Honestly, I think it depends on each project. For this particular tulip, you can see that, well, for 2 colors, it's just not showing the colors at all. 4 colors, it is, but then the shading is missing here. 8, I finally see the stem. 16, I think there's more nuanced shading going on, and 32 as well, and 64. And 64, 128 seems pretty similar to me, so I think I'm going to stop at 64, but you can do whatever you want, and just choose something that works for you, and then you're just going to click save, and you're good to go. But if you want to preview it, you can also click on preview, and then it'll bring up a window like this, and you can see what it looks like ahead of time and decide if you're happy with it. And then once you are, just save it, and you are good to go.